Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a version of Last Christmas, but in a hardstyle genre. So let me show you a track and then I'll explain what I used here. It sounds really funny, but let's listen to it and I'll explain what I used here.
Everybody come on, let's get down. Everybody come on, let's get down.
So it sounds like that, really funny, but let me explain what I used here. I decided to make two types of drops. Actually, it's something like 4 types of kicks in this section and something like a classic hardstyle in this section. So let me explain what I use here. We have something like a main kick, like with low frequencies. It sounds like maybe a hard techno kick, but I decided to make one additional layer. I use Nexus, by the way, to make this bass. Sounds like that. So we have a lower layer with a more tight, more massive kick, and we have something like a high bass or mid bass, and we have this kick like that. So here we have another kick. We have also the same kick in the low frequencies, and we have other kick in the high frequencies. Sounds like that. Also, I decided to make these synth fills. Something like that. Also, we have clap and rides heads in the rhythm section. Something like that. Here we have just one kick. It's another kick than this one. It sounds not so bright, but this kick sounds really bright. I decided to use just this kick in this section, and we have here kick sounds like that. So we have four different types of kicks. If you listen to some tracks in the hardstyle genre, you can hear that these tracks have sort of like variations of the drop with the other kicks. And I decided to make this drop, second one drop, with more classic kicks like that. I have maybe the high I don't know, the high range of this key, the main key, and that's why it sounds a bit higher than we used to. I don't know. No, we just use these chords, and that's why it sounds maybe a bit higher. E, it's not so high kick, but I don't know. I just found this kick in the Vengeance library, and there are no higher. No, we have, by the way. We have. I'm sorry, I decided to. We don't have more lower octave kick, but we have. Yeah, we can make a bit lower. I think it's a bit lower than E. Yeah, I think the first kick should be lower in octave. Yeah, I think it sounds more cool like that. Yeah, so let's use it like that. And we have these chords. It's something like original chords from the Last Christmas song. I made an additional layer for these chords. We have pad. Yeah, also we have something like a plug. And we have something like Christmas features, like a church bell, these tambourines. Also we have something like a siren. I decided to use in the breakdown, and we have here something like leads or something like lead effects, I don't know. I think it all depends on your inspiration, because I don't know, I didn't use any references here because I wanted to make it by my own, so make something like from scratch. By the way, you can check the video. I speak other language there, but you can check that I made this track from scratch. I didn't use any references. Of course, next time I'll try to use some cool reference to make another hardstyle track and show you, of course. We have something like a phrase.
Everybody come on, let's get down.
something like that. We have feel. Yeah, also we have other fixes. Let me show you in complex, something like downlifters. Yeah, sounds like that. I just wanted to make something like a Christmas or New Year's mood with this track, and I don't know why I decided to make hardstyle. I think it's something like a good template for future tracks I'll make on this channel, and also you can check this project on my Patreon and Boosty. Feel free to check the links in the description to check the project, how I made it, and of course you can check other channel to check to see how I made it from scratch, something like that. So guys, Menchi was here. Bye bye.